Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to this Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at Sushi. Before we begin the video, please as always don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about the services we provide and also check out all of the verified results from our premium signals group. So looking at Sushi this week, which has had another really strong performing week. This is the token of SUSHISwap, which is a decentralized exchange. And I think this is something that could be sort of big over the coming months, to sort of 18 months. We've had obviously the resignation this week of CZ Binance, and in his resignation tweet, he did say that he's really happy that he's got more time now and he's going to be actively looking into DeFi. So this is something that obviously has got a lot of people's attention. Kind of a pioneer of the industry is interested in this route, and Sushi's well placed to potentially take advantage of that in the coming months. But looking here first of all at the weekly chart, we can see that very similar we've seen in setups like Doge and Link. We've just been since sort of May 2022, since this massive breakdown we had here, we've just been trading in this range. But if we actually narrow it down, we've almost got a three-stage setup. So we had this range here up until April this year, which then broke down again. And these are setups that I really like. We then have a second range here, and we're now breaking out of that range. Now we can see how on the weekly chart here, this level has been back tested a couple of times. We can clearly see that this old range high is now the new support of this range. So potential, even in the very short term, to go from this breakout here at 90 cents up towards $2 to test these range highs in the medium term, obviously as long as the market holds, which still gives us room for nearly 100% move from here, from these lows, or from where we are now, is still a 50% move just to test these range highs here. Now, to be completely honest, I wish I'd have seen this chart earlier, the weekly chart. It's as a trader, it's really difficult to see all the setups all the time, but this does look really, really bullish. And even more bullish is if we zoom out on this chart, so we sort of see how it was in 2021. And, we can just see this coin, although as we said, we've had a big move from these lows, it's another coin that we can see has really done nothing yet compared to where it used to be. So if we was to remove, now we've zoomed out, remove these boxes here, we can see that still, if we mark this as our clear range for sort of 18 months, we're if we call this a range, we're only at the midpoint of this range here. And, a breakout of this, we could see a much bigger move. Now, this is quite a clean chart on the weekly chart. So for longer term targets, you can see that $6 is a really clean level. After the launch here on Binance, that's where it's settled at for that week. It's been support a number of times throughout the bull market of 2021 and then resistance afterwards. So a support resistance flip here. So for a big impulsive move, $6 could be a medium to long term target. But then after that, you're looking at $14 or definitely a double digit coin again into the next bull run. And when you consider right now we're only trading at around $1.35, we can see that obviously all depends on the market and Bitcoin, but this has got huge room to move over the next 12 to 18 months. For me, as I said, I wish I had more of this. If you're looking at a long-term plan, then obviously even now it's not a bad place to accumulate when you look at what it could do. But I do prefer to wait for pullbacks. And if you're looking for the same, I would wait personally for another retest of these previous lows here, these range highs. So if we get any move back towards, in the coming weeks, back towards anywhere close to $1, for me, that would be a really solid place to take a position. Yeah, targeting medium term, something like that, up towards $6, up towards 2025, towards double digits. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're holding sushi and what your thoughts are on this long term. And I will see you on the next video.